How to change the story language on Wattpad. At first, you will have to open the Wattpad app and log in with your account. And simply from here, you will have to click on this profile icon just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And from here, you will have to go with the settings. It's again just at the top right of the corner of the screen. So simply tap on the settings. And from here, you will have to scroll down and find the options like story language. So it will be here. So simply tap on the setting. Okay, so from here you can choose your desired language whom you want to change your story language on Wattpad. So that's all. This is the easiest method to change the story language on Wattpad. So now you can enjoy the story on your own language which you want to add on Wattpad. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.